Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This gorgeous three-floor house with 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms sits on approximately half acre or 18,404 square feet of well-landscaped land and is located in one of the prime areas of Mandeville known as West Road. The main level of this house has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, and laundry rooms. It also has a double car garage on this level. The second level is a complete flat with 2 bedrooms, plus there is also a single garage on that level. The first level is a 2 bedroom flat. This level has parking to the front of the house. One of the amazing features of this house is its awesome views and its resort vacation ambience. The house is also equipped with cameras right around. The house is being sold furnished, and there is also that spot on the property to construct a swimming pool if you so desire. More can be said about this property, but it is better if you come and see for yourself. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, cable, jacuzzi, central location, family oriented and acreage. The price of this house is Jamaican 72 million or US 460,000. Now, let's take a look at this gorgeous house and please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.